So this question looks like it's going to be a simplify question. Simplify questions are typically very short, somewhere between 1 and 3 lines long, which of course this fits into that criteria. And they contain either an equation or an expression. And in this case, we get both. We get the equation here, we get the expression here. So the question says, if 2 plus x equals 60, what is the value of 16 plus 8x? The most straightforward way to solve this is just to take this equation provided, solve for x by subtracting 2 from both sides of the equation. That crosses out the 2 on the left-hand side and leaves you with x equal to 60 minus 2, which is x equals 58. Now that you know that x is 58, you take that 58 over here to your expression. You substitute out that x over here, causing this to be 16 plus 8 times 58. You can then go to your calculator and see what exactly is 8 times 58. I'm getting 464, so this becomes 16 plus 464, which is equal to 480, and that would be your correct answer. Now, an alternative way to think about this, and just for note, I see this show up, it's meant to be like a light bulb, by the way. This type of strategy I have seen multiple times on the test, and that is when you have an equation and an expression, the expression ends up simply being a multiple of the equation. So let's check it out. If I take this equation, and let me just erase this and clean all of that up. If I take this equation here and I multiply it by 8, I will get this expression here, right? At least the left-hand side. I'll get that expression. How do I know that? Well, 2 times 8 is 16. X times 8 is 8x. Therefore, the answer has to be 60 times 8, which is 480. So that's another way to solve it. And it just comes from practice and seeing that this process happens repeatedly on the SAT.